In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Godaddy to Hubspot. This guide will help you seamlessly integrate the two platforms, enhancing your marketing efforts by connecting your domain with one of the most powerful CRM systems available. So, let's get started. First, if you haven't already, log into both your Godaddy and Hubspot accounts. Having both platforms open in your browser will streamline the process. Once you're logged in, head over to your Hubspot account. In the main navigation bar, look for the settings icon, which is usually found in the upper right corner. Click on it, and then navigate to the website section on the left sidebar. Under Domains URLs, you'll see an option to connect a domain. Click on that, and here Hubspot will prompt you to choose the type of domain you want to connect. Select Primary Domain, which typically serves as your main website URL, the one that visitors will frequently see and use. Now, you'll be prompted to choose your domain provider. From the list, select Godaddy. This will make things a bit simpler, as Hubspot has direct integration with Godaddy. Click on Connect Domain, and a new window should pop up, allowing Hubspot to access your Godaddy account. Enter your Godaddy login credentials if you are not automatically logged in. Upon successful login, grant the necessary permissions to Hubspot, allowing it to manage your domain settings. Once the integration is authorized, you'll be prompted to select the domain you'd like to connect from a list of your existing Godaddy domains. Choose the correct domain and verify your selection. Hubspot will then begin the process of connecting to your domain. This might take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the current state of your domain settings. While waiting, it's a good opportunity to double-check your DNS settings in Godaddy to avoid any potential conflicts. Ensure there are no existing name records for the www subdomain, as Hubspot will create these for you. If there are existing records, you may want to note them down or take a screenshot before deletion, just as a precaution. After Hubspot successfully connects to your domain, it will automatically set up the necessary DNS records. Go back to your Hubspot account to confirm connectivity, where you should see a confirmation message acknowledging the successful connection of your domain. Your website traffic will now be seamlessly directed through Hubspot, enabling a host of CRM tools and analytics options to help grow your business. And there you have it. You have successfully connected your Godaddy domain to Hubspot. Remember, if you encounter any issues or need further assistance, both Godaddy and Hubspot have extensive help documentation and support teams ready to assist. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.